How to buy from Pandabuy. Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video I will show you how to register an account and use such a great shopping platform as Pandabuy. First of all, let's use the QR code to navigate to Pandabuy web page. Use your camera on the phone and tap on the page link here. If you're experiencing some problems with the QR code not opening, just use the link in the description to access the web page. Now tap on the open here and we will go to the Pandabuy web page. Great, we're in. We have the two options. We can go to web page or download the application. I would suggest to use the application as it is specially designed for your phone. But of course, you can stick to the web page option if you're browsing from PC. What is a Pandabuy? Pandabuy is a shopping platform that helps you to order from Chinese stores like Taobao, Weidian, or Jupo, etc. It can deliver the ordered goods directly to your customers or to you directly. That will be depending on how you will use the platform. Okay, now the application has been now downloaded. We will just allow the paste right now and accept the privacy policy here. In order to start working with the Pandabuy application, let's register the account. Tap on the bottom right corner here at the account and tap on the sign bar. It will be automatically detected what country are you in depending on the IP address that you're using. So let's insert our credentials and then tap on the sign up. Once you have inserted all the details, don't forget to tap the I have read and accept the user registration agreement and privacy statement, and be sure to make your password at least 6 characters and including uppercase number letters. So tap on the sign up now. We have successfully registered our account and we will just go to the email to activate it. So we have now received the email to our Gmail account. As you see, this is a Pandabuy activate account. We just need to tap on the link here at the Pandabuy and use, for example, the Safari browser. Now our email activated and we can simply go to the application and to log in with our credentials right now. Log in. Great. I'd like to send you notification. Yes, allow. The first thing I will do after installing the application, I would tap on the account at the bottom right corner, and at the upper right corner I will tap on the settings here and choose the currency. There are two options. You can use the Chinese or you can use the United States currency, so it's easier to navigate and to understand the prices. Choose the USD, tap on confirm. After changing the currency, it's time to search for the desired items. There are two ways to do that. First one is to type the name of the product into the search bar. The history of your searches will be available below the search bar and it can be used for quick picks. For example, I want to search for New Balance 574s. We will just wait for a minute and see the list of the products that are offered for us to buy. Let's choose the first one here. What you want to do is to tap on the Add Cart. You will be prompted to choose the site. I will just take the 44, slide down, and choose the black color here. You can also choose the quantity of the pairs, and the maximum number is available is 200 right now. We will just keep the one and tap on Add to Cart. At the upper right corner, you will see the red 1 in the circle, identifying that this item has been added to your cart. Second way to search for the items you want to buy is by using Discord or directly from shopping platforms like Taobao or Jupo. Let's go to Taobao page and choose any item you want to purchase. Just long tap on the item and tap on Copy Link. Let's get back to the application, and once I open the application, you will see that the Pandabuy would like to paste from home, as it already identified that you have copied the link for the item. Tap on Allow Paste, tap on Open, and you will see the chosen item right here in the Pandabuy application. Now, what we will do, we'll just tap to the Add to Cart, choose the color, this space powder for example, and choose the quantity you want to add to the cart. Let's skip 1. Add to cart. And now the number 2 is in the circle and we see that has been added to the cart now. For the next step, we will go to our cart and purchase the product. You can either tap on the right upper corner at the shopping cart or tap back to the main menu. Just cancel, tap back, back, and tap on the account at the bottom right corner. You will now see the cart here, stated with 2 items. And what we do right now is to pick the new balances, for example, and we will just calculate the estimated international shipping by tapping on this button in the bottom left corner here. Now we need to choose the category. Tap on the select category, choose shoes, and choose casual shoes. Because international shipping is depending on the weight of the cargo. It's calculated by the weight of the shoes now. Tap on confirm, tap on OK. Now, at the bottom right corner, you can choose the country to ship the item to. We can use the USA or any country in Europe or in worldwide. Let's keep it simple and use USA, for example. Now, you need to tick the New Balance right now and tap on Inquire. You will see the list of the offered possibilities to ship the cargo to your country, but please keep in mind that this price is only up to the Pandabuy warehouses in USA. So this way you're only delivering to the warehouse, and after it has arrived to the warehouse in USA, you will be able to deliver them to different addresses and zip codes. You can choose, for example, DHL small, tap on back, tap on back. Now, let's submit this new balance item. Tap on submit button. This is the summary of our order. After you will tap on submit, the order will be confirmed. Don't forget to tap on I have read and agreed and tap on submit button. The order has been submitted. As you see, it's written here, please pay before 7th of June. Now it's only 4th of June and you have 3 days to pay for the products. This way you can choose the items, add it to your basket and confirm the orders without paying. And in 3 days you can pay for the whole bunch of products that you have added and all together ship them to the warehouse in the USA. That will be depending on how you're working. Are you buying the items for yourself or this is your business? You can afterwards deliver to different addresses and postal codes. Now, if you want to pay right now, you have several different options. These are PayPal, credit card. Just use one of those and tap on Pay USD at the bottom side of your screen. We will not do this right now and we will get to the back to main menu. Items will be shipped to Pandabuy warehouse after you make a purchase. Pandabuy would offer top-notch quality checks for you. If you accept the product, Pandabuy will keep the product in warehouse for you. If not, agent team will help you negotiate with the seller to process return and exchange. Where your items arrive to the warehouse, Pandabuy will take good care of the products 90 days for free. Guys, this is 3 months. And you can consign all of your items and ship them in one parcel to your destination. Once you have all the goods in the system, you will use this parcel option and you will have all the dimensions and the information received from Pandabuy team. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you can use the link in description to subscribe. See you in the next video.